The new season brings with it new enterprise. Above the safety of a river, master architects carry out some impressive aerial engineering. Male weaver birds rely on the abundance of fresh, soft grass to build new nests. The tree is filled with males busy building, hoping their bachelor pad will be the one that attracts a female's attention. Nest weaving is a skill that takes time to master. Each builder does a bit better than he did the year before. Yet some are clearly novices. If a neighbor's house is looking a little too good, it may attract the wrong kind of attention. Weaver birds are a jealous bunch. And are not above a little sabotage. Once the males have put the finishing touches to their pad, they are ready to advertise. Shaking feathers and showing off their plumage. It's a flashy invitation for the females. But when it comes to real estate, it's a buyer's market. She won't be rushed. Once she's decided, she'll take care of the interior design and renovate, immediately changing all the soft furnishings. This weaver's house has just become a home.